going to do today is replace the filter cartridge for your AQSH Aquashower shower dechlorinator. So we have it sitting here on the countertop, but this can actually be done in the shower as well while the shower dechlorinator is still connected to the pipe. So basically what you do, you take it in both hands and you disengage by twisting counterclockwise. And you can put the top to the side, and there's the filter cartridge, and that just slides right out. And on the inside you can see a couple of seals. So you want to inspect those when you're changing out the filter cartridge, and if you need to change them out, if they look worn, that's okay, you can do that. We can supply you with some extra gaskets. Let me just show you real quick how you take those out. So on the top of the housing there's a small gasket in there, and I just have a small screwdriver here, and that little silicone gasket comes out. On the bottom there's a silicone O-ring, and that also with a small screwdriver that comes right out, and you can replace that as well. So when you put the new one in, you just want to make sure that it's seated properly in that little groove that holds it. Likewise with on the housing top with your new gasket, you want to just push that in with your fingers, make sure it's seated properly. Now there is a third O-ring that you might need to replace. Actually the kit comes with all three of these seals. So again, with your small screwdriver you can just take off the old O-ring, and then you don't really even need a tool. You just, the new O-ring, you just kind of stretch out over and make sure it's seated at the bottom. Now it's time to put in a new cartridge, and we'll just pretend that this is a new cartridge for this video. So what I prefer to do is put it in the bottom first. So the flat side there is facing down, and then you just re-engage it just like that, and just hand tight should be good enough, and you're in business, ready for another 25,000 gallons of chlorine-free water. Now one thing to make note of, some of the media out of that shower filter cartridge might come out. It looks like little gold flakes. That's completely harmless, and that happens in the shipping process. Some of that stuff knocks loose, but don't worry, it is completely harmless and would rinse out just in the first gallon or two. So that is it for changing out your filter cartridge on your Aquashower.